What if I told you the biggest shift in robotics history isn't happening in Silicon Valley or Tokyo, but in China? And it just accelerated faster than anyone predicted. This isn't speculation or hype. This is the moment humanoid robots learned how the real world works and started using that knowledge immediately. Forget clumsy robots that fall over or chatbots that only talk. We're looking at machines that can think, learn from mistakes, and physically adapt like humans. Machines cheap enough for classrooms, strong enough for industry, and smart enough to handle tasks we never trusted robots with before. Welcome back to the channel. If you love groundbreaking tech and the future of automation, smash that subscribe button. Today, China unofficially declared the era of humanoid robots has begun. Chapter 1. Wow. The first AI that understands. Physics like a human meet wow. The World Omni-Evolution World Model. Instead of feeding it billions of videos hoping it memorizes patterns, Chinese researchers gave it something far more powerful. A brain that changes itself through real interaction. Current AI knows what happens. Wow learns why it happens. Here's the difference. Old AI. I saw a cup fall in a video. Wow. If I push the cup at this angle, gravity will pull it down. Let me correct that next time. Wow can. Imagine multiple physical outcomes. Detect which one makes actual sense. Self-improve without constant training. Predict reality before it happens. It runs a continuous loop. Predict, critique. Refine, adapt, just like a toddler learning cause and effect, but with 14 billion parameters and zero fear of breaking stuff. This unlocks something robotics desperately needed. Physical common sense. That's how bodies stop being puppets and start being independent. Wow scores state-of-the-art results on a new benchmark. Wow bench, measuring, perception, physics, reasoning, decision accuracy execution in real environments, a robot that understands the world instead of guessing it. That's the future. Chapter 2. Boomi, the first humanoid. Normal people can afford. Now let's talk hardware. China just dropped Boomi, the first true consumer humanoid robot under $1,500. Specs: 94 cm tall, 12 kg weight, 1-2 hours of real operation. Walks, balances, dances, interacts. Drag and drop coding for kids. This is not a prototype behind a glass case. You can buy this thing like you buy a phone. And that's the turning point. When humanoids move from labs to living rooms, when kids grow up programming robots instead of tablets, when families adopt robots like smart appliances, Boomi isn't meant to replace workers. It's training the generation that will build the next industrial wave. The team already proved stability by running a humanoid half-marathon earlier this year. That's not a cute demo. That's real-world endurance. Smartphone moment? No. Bigger. Humanoids have entered the consumer market. Chapter 3. Unitree. G1. Small robot, ridiculous strength, now the power segment. Unitree G1. How can a 35-kg robot pull a 1,400-kg car? Physics plus control plus balance. While dragging that massive weight, G1 leaned its body for traction. Rapid cycled its footsteps to avoid slipping, shifted weight continuously to stay upright, made decisions autonomously in milliseconds. This is not show-off robotics. This is industrial-grade balancing, use case previews, factory logistics, warehouse load movement, rescue missions where humans can't go extreme hazard zones, a robot that can hold its ground while the world pushes back. That's a worker. Unitree has shown flips, jumps, shoves. But this is practical capability, not viral content. Chapter 4. China's strategy. Fastest robotics pipeline on Earth. Here's the truth. While other countries debate regulations, China deploys robots into the real world. Their advantages: cheapest high-precision manufacturing, AI talent backed by national investment, universities, startups, market in one loop, hardware and software evolving together in just 24 months. Wow! Smart Brain Boomi. Cheap Body G1. Strength and balance, that's the holy trinity of humanoids. The US is making great robots, Japan too, Korea too. But China is combining intelligence, accessibility. Real deployment speed, that's how you win an industry. Chapter 5. What happens? Next, let's merge what we've seen. Wow! Brain Boomi. Mass adoption, G1, sacred muscles. When companies fuse those traits into one humanoid platform, we get a universal home assistant robot capable of cooking, cleaning, carrying, helping in emergencies, teaching kids, supporting elderly mobility not perfectly, at first, but learning fast, because that's what self-evolution enables. Humans will handle imagination. Robots handle execution. We become the designers. They become the hands. Picture walking into your home after a long day. Your robot already adjusted the lighting to your mood. Dinner's warming, clothes washed and folded, dishwasher softly humming. Your elderly parent got their medication on time, verified with a sensor check. Your pet played fetch while the robot vacuumed. Homework help already finished. Good. Job understanding fractions today. You didn't command those tasks. The robot learned your routine. Meanwhile, in factories, G1-style robots lift engines, climb scaffolding, cross debris. No break needed. They don't fear heights, heat, or flames. In classrooms, Boomi-class bots turn math into games, languages into conversations. And wow! It makes sure these behaviors remain safe, stable, and physically smart. Robots won't replace us. They will replace every task that hurts us. We're not heading toward a story where machines dominate humans. We're heading toward a story where humans finally stop doing dangerous, boring, repetitive work. Our hands become free. Our minds become the main tools. The ultimate partnership. We think, they do. So here's the real question. When a humanoid knocks on your door in a few years and it says, "I'm here to help," what do you need? What will your answer be? Because this revolution isn't a rumor. It's not a prototype. It's a product. It's shipping. It's already learning. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you're curious about the future, you belong on this channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.